Hey guys, and welcome to Space Engineers. I'm here together with Cubehamster, and he's controlling this cool-looking spaceship. Hey,
Hey guys!
so what do you see here? Well, it's jittering a little, but we are inside our own spaceship, and this game here, well, it's all about building spaceships and all kinds of creations, well, in space. That's why it's called Space Engineer. I would say it's like Minecraft and Upward Miner combined. You can really you can place and destroy these ships here as if they were objects made out of blocks, so like a little bit Minecraft style, but like completely different, obviously. And I died. What?
You
What?
turned the ship too fast.
What? What? Well, it's an early alpha stage. I think we can leave this in as some kind of demonstration that there is some stuff of this game which has to be fixed yet, but other mechanics are really working well. I decided to not actually use the ship there, but rather we will only start with one ship because that's cooler. So let's take a look at me. This is me. I'm this cool looking dude here in space. And yeah, let's take a
This
look.
makes it so confusing for my audience though.
Yeah, I guess so. What's
It's...
the problem?
Oh, can't you just fly here?
I'm trying to. I'm getting closer to you.
Did you dump your ship again or?
Yeah, I dumped it again. So there is apparently a speed limit in space. So no, the speed space police or whatever stops me from getting faster here.
Yeah, this game is not ultra realistic, and
No.
I don't think it at some point is going to be, but it is. It's pretty and it's fun. So
It's fun. I hope that they will do some stuff about certain physics behaviors. So still, I don't know. We will see what happens to the game. We can still enjoy it while it lasts. Anyway, and yeah. Well, if you are traveling by a Cubehamster at 400 kilometers an hour, it might take a while to brake in case your thrusters only produce 1 G, which is already pretty much, by the way. It's like a constant getting close and then passing by each other again if you don't watch out.
I'm just floating, like my inertia stabilizers are off. I'm floating at
Okay.
1.5 meters per second.
Okay.
I'm using...
No. Whoa, shit.
Killed
That
yourself
was
again.
close.
Killed yourself again by flying into the
No,
ship.
I
Well
think
done.
I got it. No, I handle it. Yeah, that's something you really need to train a lot to because there's no indicator for the relative speeds towards the ship or anything, which they hopefully will add at some point. You really have a hard time figuring out whether you should already start braking. So Cubehamster apparently was able to kill me by just turning around his ship while I was inside.
Yeah, I'll
That
try.
is
I'll
something.
try. Maybe you can stay outside. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw like the asteroid I was flying towards looked really nice. So
Okay.
let me try to not bump into it and like destroy our ship and all our equipment to survive.
Yeah. But you know what's cool about this game? There's just we are in space. There's no gravity, at least no gravity if you're not close to our ship, which has artificial gravity, as you can see when I fly close by to it. And therefore, there's also no orientation. You can just go upside down, and there is no upside down, so to speak.
Is there
There we
like
are.
a cave here or?
I was getting some damage from the thrusters, actually. This
Oh yeah.
looks like a
Okay.
cave. Yes, it is
Okay.
one.
Well, let's park it there.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks nice. Wow.
You easily fit in there. Just go in. That should be decent. Okay. And then we can show you what you can do in this game. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So we are currently playing the survival mode, and in the survival mode, well, there is resources you can dig from these asteroids. Let's take a look at these, by the way. They're really cool. You can fly through these tunnels, and it's just so crazy.
Let me come outside for a moment.
You have to show this to the viewers, I guess.
Yes.
Woohoo! Loop.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Having
I
fun
can see you
rotating.
bumping into all the walls.
Yeah, sometimes you have to watch out, but luckily our
Hey,
space
we're both yellow, by the way.
it's
So
pretty
we're both the
resistant.
same color, yeah.
We are both yeah. I
Yeah.
don't even. Yes.
Holy shit, that never happened. And the same color as the ship as well. No, no.
Okay, let's start a new ship. So for that, first of all, we can show you what kind of tools we do have. We do have a welder, a grinder, and a hand drill. And with the hand drill, you can pretty much destroy stuff. You can start destroying your ship, which is a stupid idea. But they are actually fully destructible, as you can see here. Let me just lower the volume a slight bit.
Just got a new paint job, man.
What's up?
Like the ship.
Maybe it's not the best idea to destroy our only resource here. But you know, the interesting thing is you can actually dig these asteroids, and they are completely destructible. So let's just start over here. You can see I'm digging in, and I'm actually punching a hole into it, and pebbles fly off. And you can
actually have to
these.
collect them. You need to collect them. This is iron ore. But the thing next to it is what we need more at the moment, which is uranium.
Yeah.
Get some of that. Can you get some of the stuff that flies off if I'm digging?
Well, the thing is, we can't do much with the uranium before we have refined it.
Yeah, but there's a refinery in the back of the ship, so I should be able to.
Yeah.
If I can actually catch some of the stuff.
Yeah, the next step, or better say the best thing to start with when you're trying to mine stuff, is to actually produce a gravity field that keeps all those pebbles contained somewhere.
But we have a ship right here, so let me just park it a bit closer, and we can use the.
Okay, let's try.
Gravity of the ship. Because
or should I park it?
You could park it if you want.
Okay. Which of these fields do we take? This one is rather close, and it's actually pretty flat. Let's see if I can get it to work. So, oops. So there we are. Just increase the field of the size of the gravity generator field, by the way.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay, this should be good enough already.
I'll just max it out.
Yep. So, and if you turn off the jetpack, as you can see, we can.
I actually wonder if it consumes more energy if you increase the size of the field.
Never thought about it. But there's still
like
gravity now.
how would a gravity generator actually work? It's like. Well,
it's bent space-time.
Yeah, I guess.
But just the sharp edges wouldn't make sense. You know, where the gravity suddenly stops.
Yeah, but exactly, there's sharp edges and stuff. But yeah, this makes it a lot easier. Just all the stuff just.
Yeah, all the roads to the middle here.
Yeah, just make a giant hole.
Yeah. I think we don't actually need that much uranium.
No, there's tons of uranium already. Yeah. I kind of like the fact that we got our ship in here. I think that's really good.
Yeah.
That's good stuff. Okay, well this should be enough.
Turn off my lights. Picking up.
In this game, there's some presets you can do when you create the map. And one of the things you can do is you can make it so that the inventory space is like 10 times bigger than the default, which is what we have.
Yeah.
So if you're wondering why we are carrying like 350 kilograms of stuff, you can actually go a lot further than that, but that's because of the settings. But we do have refineries in this game that we've set to realistic, and we also have assemblers in the game, which we've also set to realistic.
Yep. So let's show our super cool refinery in here.
Can you actually exit it from there, or do you have to exit it from the back?
Yeah, you have to exit it from the inside. It's meant to be exited from the inside.
Okay.
So the refinery is on, and yeah, I'll put some uranium ore inside. And let's see how long this takes to produce any kind of ingot. I have no idea how the conversion rate is.
There, 0.03 kilograms.
Oh, right. Oh, this automatically converted to the assembler. That's nice. Because they are mounted on the same plate, I guess.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so down there we see uranium appearing, and in the reactor there is actually 0.11 kilograms of uranium inside, and we already produced 0.08. So
But I think we've used quite a lot though already. I think you start with like, I'm not sure. Let me get the uranium. I'll put it in the. Let's see, where's the nuclear? Can you exit it from here as well? Yeah, nuclear generator.
Yeah, I'm just trying to set
Put
the
some
game
more stuff in there.
audio so that it doesn't is not louder than you. Okay. So let's just get some blocks to start with. I guess we need to disassemble the ship here partially, and that is pretty cool about this game. You can just get your angle grinder and start grinding. Let's go.
Who needs doors?
Oh.
I almost angle grinded you.
I got damaged.
Probably nothing. Oh, I did actually damage you?
You did damage me, yes.
Oh,
you
shit.
actually dropped
sorry.
23% of my health.
Oh, shit. Yeah, there's actually guns in this game as well. I think at some point you just, dodge fights. Dog fights? Is it dog fights? I think it's dog fights. But yeah, at the moment you can, if you deassemble like one of these blocks, you get 100% of the material back, unless it's damaged. Like, for instance, is this damaged? I'm not sure.
It's really hard to balance the audio sounds of this game because there's, for example, the refinery is super loud when you get close to it, and it completely, overbalances everything else. While at the same time, like if I adjust it so that the thing doesn't get too noisy. Why did I get damaged again?
What?
Like there was no particular reason, and I was sitting at 50% health.
I don't know.
What? Okay, let me just heal up. There's luckily a medical station right here that I can use to get energy back, as long as it's powered with a reactor which is currently running on uranium that we are producing in the refinery. So this all fits together like a puzzle, and we got some pieces to start with now. So let's just get out and start. Should we build a space base right inside this asteroid, or maybe in the sun? I don't know. What would you think?
In the sun? Can you actually?
You know, up there's light from the
Oh,
the
you mean like I was like inside the sun? What?
no.
Is it you?
Just in sunlight.
Yeah. Well, whatever you want.
What would you prefer? I actually like to be able to see something, so.
Yeah. We need the view. Yeah, totally agree.
So. The terrain is actually pretty unsmooth around here. Trying to figure out a good spot where you can somehow place stuff. Well, let's just, we don't need that much space over here. Is good. Good enough for our purposes anyway. Okay, so you start with just saying new station, and then you should be able to place a block unless you are not here. Okay.
There we go.
Is a little bit odd in the space, but who cares?
You know what I really like about this game, Joe?
What?
I can see my legs. If there's gravity.
If there's gravity, yeah. Yeah, there's none over here. Okay. Yeah, so the goal for this, let's say, short series / episode, I don't know if we were to cut it together, but just show you the basics of the game, and we will eventually going to build a spaceship and a small mining ship, because you can actually, not only mine by hand, but build ships with drills, which obviously greatly enhance the mining speed, and automatically collect the ores for you, and automate a lot of things, and that is why it's so cool. Can just like in Minecraft, build automated machines, but these machines are actually movable. It's just not not just static things, but just completely free floating objects. Okay, so let's start with just assembling these few plates here, and I actually think we should change the color.
Go ahead. Oh, I
Yes.
actually am out of plates. What?
Already.
Yeah. Oh, am I? No, it said I was. Early access. Oh, green. Yeah, that's nice.
Yep.
Relax. Yeah, now I am actually out of. No, what the hell?
I haven't checked how many plates I do have in my inventory, but you should check your energy while you're using the welder because they
Yeah.
really use a ton of energy. Yes, I'm out of steel plates. We need to get more from our ship, I guess.
Should we move the ship over there now because of gravity?
Question is, do we have to get more resources first because the gravity generator will help us in here?
Let's see how the refinery is doing, by the way.
I will just start angle grinding a little more here.
Okay, we got another 0.8 uranium. It's getting used to a bit to the realistic refinery though. It's definitely a tad slow.
It obviously is. Actually, it's 10 times slower.
Yeah.
Grinding like a boss. Whoop! Cute. What? Okay, so Cube just decided to change the gravity to upside down. Yes. Let's take a look at it from the outside. And I just decided to just turn my jetpack upside down so that I don't care about gravity.
There's no up and down.
Mm.
But now I can see my feet, so it's totally worth.
Oh, it is. Yeah, you know, I usually see my feet. What? Are you trying to?
I'm a troll. I'm a troll. Sorry, I'll stop.
Keep trolling. Yes, it makes sense. I can also try around, turn around all the time while I'm mining these blocks here. It's probably the best. It will totally not confuse anyone. So if we get rid of the assembler and the gravity generator and everything, we need to be careful. I don't know. Should we keep the gravity generator here as at first and just?
I mean, we can just move this to the platform if we want to, right?
I
mean, this half ship. This half ship still flies.
Whoa. How about we just keep this ship here and use this thing as long as it's just built together till we got enough resources to build a second refinery or a second gravity generator at our station, at least in the second nuclear reactor.
Then we have to start mining. Should we move to the iron then? Because we need steel plates, right?
Yes. Okay.
So
where's iron?
Because I kind of like the idea of this mobile gravity generator for now.
Yes.
Because it does help with mining quite a lot.
Mm.
Let's see if we, park it like so, then should be good enough. I think. Oh yeah, -1G.
Yes, thanks to you.
Oh, I know a solution to
that. Instead of just yeah, okay, that will do for now. There's pretty much no hold for the pebbles. Well, they will all just roll down this this hill here, so it's actually pretty cool. Let's just fire them down.
There's some nickel nearby. Oh, I died.
What? Why did you just die?
I don't know. I have no idea. Okay. Well, it kind of sucks because I had some stuff from the door. I think I like lagged myself into a wall or something.
Mm.
Oh, this is actually not iron.
What?
This is nickel.
Oh, lol. Now I see it as well.
Yeah, I was like, okay. Well, where's iron then?
I'm still crouching. That was why I was so confused. Ah, now I get it. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, there's iron here. There's
Sure that
actually.
this is iron?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay, where is this rolling to? I'm currently...
Yeah, I'll move the ship a bit, I guess.
No, it's actually fine. There's some kind of cavity here, so it will all roll down there, which is pretty nice. Let's just keep it this way.
Okay.
I'm trying to mine it so that it all rolls towards you. Kinda works. Just dig a small tunnel in here because it's fun. My own little house. That's like my own very first dirt hut. My own very first iron ore hut. Yeah, I'm building my own
all you
cave
need is
inside
you-
iron ore. Try to do this in Minecraft, then you must be really lucky to find such a huge ore or just collect them for quite a while.
Then you need to add like an assembler there, and some lighting.
Mm. Let's take a look at it. Oh, wait, I don't want to get drilled. Oh. That's my own little cave here. Yay.
This
So
is pretty
cool.
much all the iron we need for now, I guess.
Oh, the irony. Like, this is the iron foundry of the future. Totally not. Okay. Collecting asteroids. Like, it's like sucking them in as if I was a vacuum cleaner.
I thought the inventory limit 10 times was 4K.
It is.
Oh,
how
so
many-
I've got 5.5K mass on me now.
Maybe they changed this in this version here.
Okay. I'm not complaining because walking back and forth 5,000 times is annoying.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. In Minecraft, you can also carry tens of thousands of tons of material.
Do you think we'll be, making a mining ship this episode, or are we gonna do
Probably
that,
not. In this episode, I think we should just, stop mining for now because people know how mining works and start assembling stuff. Inventory is full. I'm actually sitting at 4,000 liters. How do you get so much?
I've got 6.8 already.
What? Okay, you're lucky.
No idea.
You really are. Yeah. So.
I'm kind of curious how far I can go now. Is your house empty or? Yeah.
Actually, my energy is quite low. Where's your instance? Over here. Need to refill first of all. Health is back and energy will be any second soon. Come on, loading in.
I think I have like no limit or something. I'm almost at 8K.
You are lucky, as I said. So, putting the nickel and the iron in.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, I have no limit. Like.
Yeah, probably have not. For the gravity generator, if you want to build a new one.
Or I'm just
So-
stronger than you are. That's also a possibility.
Yeah, that's probably it. So this is the this overview inventory shows you what kind of building blocks there are available at the moment, and the gravity generator is over here. Well, and it obviously produces gravity as long as it's being powered with some kind of reactor. I don't know if you can somehow get more information about this thing. But anyway, we need.
Did you switch the gravity back to normal, or is it still minus?
I didn't
No.
change anything, so just watch out. I'm currently actually flying, so I shouldn't be influenced by it anyway.
Okay, I'm switching it back to. I'll switch it to like a bit less than 1G. We don't
Okay.
really need it.
So, we need computers, motors, large steel tube, construction component, gravity generator component, and steel plate. And let's just try to build all these components from scratch. So, then we need to figure out, okay, what do you need for a computer? And for that, we need to check the assembler. And that is somewhere over here in this ship here. I actually don't want to build any
That's up
block
here.
right now. Which one is it?
The
The one
top
that
there.
tells assembler. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in the production panel, what did you say? We needed 40 computers. So, they are here, and we need silicon and gold. For the motors, we need iron, nickel, and cobalt. And well, for the reactor components, we also need silver. So we pretty much need everything.
Hey, you can also disassemble components. Didn't even know that.
Yes, that's the thing. We could just, in theory, disassemble our whole ship and also disassemble the gravity components.
No, but like I think you can get like ingots and stuff back from your components as well.
Never tried it, to be honest.
Oh, this says disassemble.
So how should we get our... actually, before we have the gravity generator, we need a small reactor at least. So we probably should start with that one. Computers, motors, reactor components, large steel tube, metal grids, construction components, steel plates. Looks like we need a lot of steel. Some silicon, some... what did we say? Uranium, some gravel, and I'll start with the gravel first, and then with the silicon. Let's see.
How many steel plates do we need?
In total?
Yeah.
Let me check again. We do need 80 steel plates for the reactor, and 8 large steel cubes plus 4 metal grids, so in total quite a lot. Okay. And we need gravel as well, which pretty much means we need stone. So you can see all these little patches here colored in. That is interesting stuff everywhere. So there are like all of these asteroids are pretty much just one colorful ore. They barely consist out of normal stones, but mostly just consist out of pure ore, which is, well, I don't know if I should say it's weird or...
Oh, I just had the most awesome idea for like a ship to haul in the ores and stuff. Because I just rotated my ship and I can see the ores flying all over the place. So what you could do is you could mine stuff, and then all the ores would be, you know, on the floor, and then you do like a flyby with the gravity generator with reverse, with like inverted gravity, and then you let like all the ores fall into some sort of yeah, like some sort of gravity center in a way. If you have multiple.
Makes sense.
That sounds kind of cool.
So this is magnesium.
Something for the future. I'm moving the ship, by the way, so I'm parking it.
Okay. But I'm just trying to find normal stone at the moment. I guess that's probably on the surface.
On the outside, yeah. Should we move the ship outside then?
I don't think that we need a lot, so let me just try to get it manually.
Okay. Oh, I'll get some magnesium then.
Okay. Okay.
I've got gold. Did you find any other?
Cobalt. Oh, my energy.
So I'm kind of tempted to fly maybe to another asteroid.
We should. Yeah. Okay. Well, our station is right now 9 blocks, so we can abandon this.
No, but we can fly back there if we want to. Just.
It's not really
just mining
in a really decent place anyway.
No.
So. Yeah, let's just go and fly to another asteroid. After I charged up.
You will not.
What just happened?
Like I turned off all the energy on the ship.
I was going to say, what happened? No, you're flying off. No. Please be careful and don't turn around too quickly. Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Let's go to that one. Just the gravity gen. What? What do you do?
Well, I was accessing the assembly inventory, and then I was thrown off and moving away from your spaceship at like at least 30 meters per second.
Again.
This is interesting. Okay. Oh, a small, tiny green platform over there, slowly vanishing into distance.
Inertia dampener OP. Okay, so there's stuff in there. I will probably bump it now.
That asteroid looks
No!
poor.
Oh, I didn't even bump it. Okay, maybe just a little. Yeah, well, there must be caves here and stuff. It's magnesium.
This is actually not really a that large asteroid.
No.
The setting here. Let's see. Where have we been before on that one? There is our green spot. There is another asteroid behind this one. I spotted it over there. Let's check. Let's check. I'm heading in the direction.
I'm just following you.
Do you see
Oh,
it?
that one. Yeah, yeah. The one with
Yeah.
the craters.
Yes. See that we don't crash into it.
Yeah. Like this
What?
game is all about the collision. What?
There's a radioactive symbol. Like this must be a troll from the developers, I guess. Like most of these asteroids look like they were just sketched together for testing purposes. But take a look at how the iron ore is spread around here. This looks a little artificial. Just saying, just saying.
The other asteroid had it as well.
Didn't actually notice. Let's see. Does it have any flat surface with a nearby cave entrance?
Just want to find silicon. I think that's one of
Yes.
the... Oh.
This one up.
Fuck.
You crashed something.
There's something flying through space right now.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Those spaceships are completely destructible. That's what we wanted to show you later. But you know, this and the physics do actually involve like inertia tensors. So this thing here moves rather interestingly through space. Let's see if I can bump it. Nope. Stay with me.